Hello all, today we are going to see what is work function, the strength of a cryptography system, how we can measure by measuring the effort in terms of cost and time using a work function factor or work factor. The security and protection offered by crypto system is directly proportional to the value of the work function or factor. Always size of the work function should be matched against the relative value of the protected asset. The work function need be only slightly greater than the time value of that asset. In other words, all security, including cryptography, should be cost effective and cost efficient. What do you mean? Spend no more efforts to protect an asset than it warrants. See, usually we will give protection to gold more than silver, right? But be sure to provide sufficient protection. If information loses its value over time, the work function needs to be only large enough to ensure protection until the value of the data is gone. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye.